If I have a service contract with a customer where I'm going to be performing services or maintenance services against a piece of equipment, what I would do is set up a contract, set up my service contract line to be against a piece of equipment. So I'd select service contract lines. I'll go up here to add a new line item on a contract. You'll see the first field here is my contract that we're performing this line item for. I'd set my line type to be a piece of equipment. You'll notice it's bringing over my account and my address for me. I can create the contact person for perhaps this piece of equipment on this line item on the contract. The title field is going to be grayed out because the title for this contract line item is going to be the name of the equipment. And what I'll do is select a piece of account equipment from our account equipment table inside of the Alert Stratus system. So I've got all these different pieces of equipment. Perhaps this piece of equipment is what we've loaned out or leased to our customer, so I set this here as our equipment line item. I can put my quantity. It's going to bring over my serial number for me from whatever's in this piece of account equipment. And also this account equipment is what's going to hold all of our warranty details. I can put our start and end date for this line item. I can add a description. If we have entitlements for this piece of equipment, so if we know that any time we're performing service, it's always going to be either preventive maintenance, or it's going to be time and materials, or perhaps support non-billable, I can choose to set that as a default. And then same with our coverage code as well. Let's set our pricing interval for this line item, so I can say it's monthly at say $1,200 a month or $2,000 a month or whatever that might be. And I can also add all of my subcontractor details. So if we're reselling a vendor's contract to a client, we can put all their vendor components here and enter all of their cost elements, and then eventually have the system generate payables vouchers. So next I'm going to save this line item. So now that I've saved it, I can go and add any files or notes to this line item on this contract if I wish, or I can just close and go back to my service contract where I'll see a list of all of the different line items that we've created for this hardware service contract.